Hi YouTube. Good day, good day. A few, about a week and a half ago, I heard a little funny. I was wondering why there's all this bird poo was on my car on top of the roof here, somewhere about there. And I keep wondering why the heck the birds keep pooing on my car. But then I realized something was wrong, and this is what was wrong. Would you believe this? We had cleared out a nest before while he was building it. She was building her nest, and then she got mad at us. We parked her car again, and guess what she did a week and a half ago again? She built another nest, and this time she put 5 eggs in our motor of our car. Could you believe that? So now we can't use our car. So we have to wait until her eggs are hatched and the chicks are moved. Then we have to do something about that. 5 eggs. We'll update you at another date.